How do you find out sum of all the digits of numbers from 1 to 100, including the both? Please understand this. Each digit is written 20 times. When you write, you're counting from 1 to 100. So 2 is written 20 times. Do it. How am I saying this? It is 2 and then 12 and then 22 and then 32, so forth and so on, 92. So how many times at unit place, how many times 2 is written? 10 times, isn't it? Now, how many times you're writing 2 at 10th place? It is 20 and then 21 and then 22, and it goes up to 29. So 10 times here and then 10 times here. So collectively, how many times are we having this? 20 times are we having this, right? So what is that I'm trying to say? You write 2, it is going to be 20 times collectively from 1 to 100. How many times are we going to be writing 3? 20 times. How many times are we going to be writing 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 up to 9? All the digits are being written 20 times. तो मैं मान लेता हूँ भाई 1 एक है जो 21 times लिखा जाएगा. कैसे? Because 1 is going to be in 100 also. So let us assume कि भाई ये सारे जो digits हैं 1 is written 20 times. एक बाद में ऐड कर लेंगे, right? 2 is being written 20 times. 3 is being written 20 times. Collectively 9 is being written 20 times. And so what is that we have to do? We have to find out sum of all these values. अब अगर आप इन सबको sum करोगे तो 20 कॉमन निकाल दो. 20 कॉमन निकाल दोगे तो what is that you are gonna have? You have 1 to 9 का sum. Find it out. It is sum of first 9 natural numbers. It is 9 into 10 divided by 2. Simplify कर दो and tell me what is the value. और अगर आपने ऐसा कर दिया, this is 20 into 45 and that is coming out as 900. 900 तो हो गया 1 to 99, isn't it? Now you have got additional 1 in 100 and hence you will have to add 1 here. If you add 1 here, it is going to be collectively 901, right? Okay.